I must commend
Sorry,
you.
yeah.
Bringing this baby to come and hike first, now mine.
See, I style.
Hey guys, Adventure O'Clock with my baby, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you are not new, kindly like, share and comment. Now this is the park. This is what we are packing. This is what is in our bag. This is the baby carrier. It's very firm. These are the things that needs to be in the bag for hiking with baby. Then this is the bag I'm going with. Then I have 2 diapers here just in case you know what it is. Then wipes. Okay. Then the changing cloth, like a wrapper, flannel. Then extra clothes, I changed that into this anyway. Then the petroleum baby jelly for nappy rash. Then sunscreen, please. Sunscreen, enough of it. For myself, I didn't use for baby anyway, but for myself, sunscreen and water. Of course, this water was not enough, and of course power bank because I need to do video. Baby. So this is how my baby is looking all odd while I prepare. Then this is us on our way to go. I was almost late. But anyway, so I'm kind of nervous because this is my first time hiking with a baby. So this is my baby. It is our first hike today. First hike of the year. Oh, no, like first hike in our lifetime. So first outdoor experience in our lifetime. So she's ready. She's ready and excited. Are you excited? Baby, are you excited? She never ready. Baby first time. We got a car to go with, and this is us going to the venue, to the main hike point. You know, we have meeting points and we have hike points. So this is us going to the main hike point. It's at Bape area, I think. And you see these guys, yeah, they are just super excited. I don't know what's exciting them. They're just extra excited.
Every time.
And like set of crazy people. So with this, you definitely know the hike is going to be fun. So this is us at the hike venue. So many cars, so many people, so many cars, and we are about to start hiking. We are climbing the mountain already. Abuja youths, this is how we climb it. Oh my god. And there is me, mommy baby, trying to get into the video. Of course, because why not? Mommy baby. And of course you must see Kausha. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me. We are going into the bush. Almost as
I not enter this
my vlog. Okay, well, Ellen say I.
If I not enter.
Wilderness babies.
Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
Any.
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Even what I feel, I won't stop until I discover all the
Come on.
love the vibe and the energy.
I had to change her clothes too because the clothes I wore for her initially was too thick, so I needed something lighter. Yes.
Want to happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that. If it don't happen fast.
Thank you. Have to clean your hair. Get water.
So much more than I won't stop until I feel
Yes.
You get this.
It's time to go home, and this lady has volunteered to help me carry my baby down. So the fun is over. Not really over. We'll still just down the line, but yeah. You see our people, see the way we look like soldier. So it's time to go back to base. How am I talking like this? End of hike. Exhausted will come. I need to go carry my baby. She enjoyed very well. Oh, we are exhausted.
Thank you.
Sleep.
Michael, let me push one case for her. Let me push one
Wait.
case for her.
So yeah, that is the end of my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.